Behind me is today's challenge. I got a cool vintage hutch, as you can see behind, and this hutch is a little dated, so we're gonna kind of step it forward. How we're gonna do this? We're gonna remove those glasses in the front, and we're gonna completely remove them and not even use them at all. So we're gonna turn the inside more of turquoise and the outside like a dark gray. We're gonna funk it up really cool. It's easy in such a sense that because we're getting rid of the glass, we're just gonna spray them the way it is. We're gonna ruin the glass and then we're gonna pull them out. That way we don't have to do so much taping, and we're gonna go in from the back. We're gonna go in from the back and do all the work. So let's see how this one works out. Let's do it.
I think this thing is in really good condition, so we're not gonna have to do a whole lot of fixing and tweaking and so forth. It's nice, it's sweet. So we're just gonna have to get sanding, get cleaning up, and then it's all wood on wood, man. Beautiful piece. We're just gonna get sanding, refinish the hardware, and we're just gonna do what we do. What we do is make this right. All right, let's do it.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, live. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, live. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game.
Take me
a guiding star. Cause I need your loving, baby, and never let me down. Let me down, let me down. I'm your song, yeah, you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, cause baby, we got chemistry. You gave me feelings, feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You will be forever, yeah, yeah. You